Yes, hello guys. I just want to share to everyone uh, yung importance ng malaman natin yung uh, input at output status ng ating mga device. Like ito, si Kiki or any other brand, pareho lang naman yan laman. Nevertheless, kung SMD or yung iba namin dito, yung Glow hindi naman naka SMD, pero nevertheless same principle yung ginagamit nila. And ito, I'm monitoring the channel 3 for input. Yan, yung input. So very stable, balance input. Saka dito, so dalawang input yan, dito tsaka dito. So balance input yan. So considering na balance input, we're expecting a balance output. Yet ito nangyayari. So yung pin 2 is yung yellow, yung pin 3 is yung blue, yung purple is the input. So isang nakikita nyo, very obvious, is yung pin 1 at saka pin 2 ng output ng crossover na ito is unbalanced, or let's say balance yung output, pero yung nare-receive ng output ng scope, yan, output papuntang scope is unbalanced. Yung yellow tsaka yung blue is yung output. So mas malakas yung pin 3 kaysa pin 2. Yan yung obvious na makikita mo agad. At saka yung isa pang na-observe ko is it introduces phase delay. Meron siyang phase delay. So the purple has the original signal, and the input is the yellow and the blue waveform. So meron siyang na-introduce siya ng phase delay. Pero pag while adjusting the frequency cutoff, here I'm changing the value of the cutoff frequency. So nag-introduce talaga siya ng phase delay. Nevertheless, what's the frequency? At certain frequency, syempre naman iba-iba yung frequency na pumapasok sa papuntang ito yan, iba-iba yung frequency sa music, so iba-iba rin yung phase delay. Ito 100 Hz. Let's try to use unbalanced signal input. Ayan, same pa rin pero bumabala yung signal. Ayan, ito pa rin yung output. Tsaka kung i-adjust natin yung frequency, ito 300 Hz, na-cut off na siya. Ayan. So meron pa rin phase delay. So pwede naman natin i-correct yan, so no problem. At tayong problema sa phase delay, we can digitally correct or manually align yung subwoofer natin to compensate sa delay. Mostly digitally compensate the delay using loudspeaker management or any other tool. Pwede naman. Now I'm introducing the modified version. Ito, meron akong nilagay. Opo, makikita yung nilagay ko. Wag naman. Okay. Yan. Dito tayo. Hirap kasi one hand tayo. One hand muna. And dito. And the other one is ito. Uy, it's speaking. Ayun. Kita yung difference. The output is symmetrical. So yung symmetry ng output is based on the offset, DC offset ng input as well. Pero comparing with the original one or the stock one, ang laki ng difference. Ayan, mas malakas talaga to. And considering na naka-unbalance tayo, and pag i-balance natin yan, yun, mas malakas na yan. Diba? Yet again, the symmetry is based on the input as well. Input symmetry. Yan. Pero mas gusto ko yung ganitong signal kumpara sa original niya. Diba? Iba talaga yung difference. Yung phase delay, ganun pa rin meron siya kasi yung output ng original dito, yung stock is doon lang ako kumuha. Pero I will try na dito na sa before sa preamp buffer ng output ng low. Pero yeah, yun lang gawin ko. Mas okay yun para baka makunan. Pero anyways, physically ganun din pa rin siguro kasi the buffer only amplifies or buff the original signal. Yun lang. So modified, dito ko na nilagay sa isang output. Modified. Ayun, that's it. Sige, bye.